I'm going to show you a trick that I learned to cut this because it's so soft you cannot use this cutter. And this cutter, you need one like this to cut it square, especially for the shark bites to work. You insert this tool and then you're going to get your cutter, put it on there, tighten it up, turn it, and you see you get your little ridge there. You're just going to tighten it, turn a few times, tighten, turn a few times, tighten. There you go. Nice, see, nice square cut. They do have a deburr tool, but you can also use a knife. I know some people are gonna say, "Oh no, don't do that." I don't care. It works. You can use a knife and just on the very interior edge, go around that and remove the burrs. Then you can slide your shark bite on. Oh, and also a tip. When you're putting the shark bite on, I noticed this when I was putting on the Shark Bite Max on this pipe at the house. When I would push it on, it was actually not as easy to put on as it says on the package, but so I slid it on. It felt like it was on enough, right? But then I grabbed the pipe up here and went with it again to check it, and it slid on further. And then after I did that again, I checked it a few more times and it wouldn't move anymore. Then that's how I knew it was finally on. Some people also mark it, which you can do too. And I've heard they say that it apparently goes on the pipe about 1 inch. So if this is the end of the pipe, once the shark bite's on, it'll have advanced 1 inch on that piece of pipe. After you get your square cut, the polybutylene, take your shark bite, the gray side with the reinforcing fitting in there goes on the polybutylene. Then the gold colored side goes to the pecs. You're going to slide it on there. Then you're going to grab this side of the pipe and press this fitting on with your other hand. There it is, installed in the poly. And you're going to do the same thing and install the pecs in the other side. There it is. There it is, installed. There's both of them. Successful install.